Hey folks, Aaron with Fleetistics. We are launching an industry-first pay-as-you-go program for fleet dash cams. What does that mean? That means that you're not paying $25, $30 a month for dash cam service when you're not using the dash cams. What we're saying is, hey, you'll pay $12.95 a month, and then you pay per megabyte for the data that you use. If you don't use the dash cams because you don't have an accident, you don't have a customer complaint, you don't need to spot check anything, then the most you pay that month for every single camera in your fleet is $12.95. There's no point in paying for these big data plans because most customers simply don't use the cameras that much after the first 30 days. They get in, they play with the cameras, they see how well it works, and then they move on to taking care of business. So we found a way to reduce customers' costs for fleet dash cams by 2/3, and our cameras are typically $100 to $400 less expensive than the competition out there and we've got the same warranty. So give us a call at fleetistics.com. Our phone number is 855-300-0527, or visit us at fleetistics.com, 855-300-0527, and start saving. Now, one more thing before you go is that if you call today, we are bundling a OBD GPS tracker with the Crew Chief dash cam. So if you get both of those together, then what we're saying is we're going to give you 50% off of the OBD GPS tracker. So now you can have great GPS tracking and you can have the dash cam at this huge lower rate. So give us a call and we'll set you up and get you tracking.